Never! We did fight once though.
I'm sick of this platform. I felt a little bit seasick at one point.
I don't think we should have stayed the extra night. It is like...
What is happening, beautiful people?
We are Silky and Kieran and we're in our 10-year honeymoon world trip.
And for the next 48 hours, we're going to be on this wooden platform in a UNESCO site in Langkawi, Malaysia.
This platform is only accessible by boat, which means we are completely surrounded by... water.
We are just on time to watch this stunning sunset. There is actually a normal shower, but we decided this was more convenient. This is a space that we're going to be living in for the next 48 hours. And this
is our tent.
And our block bed. Don't know what Silky's got planned for that. This morning in preparation,
we went to the grocery store, which I think is the first time we've done that in maybe 2 years.
Here's our shopping list. I hope that we have everything we need.
Otherwise, we'll have to catch some fish.
Noodle time! I think this is upside down. All of a sudden, everything started moving around there. I think it's the waves, because the boat over here is going a little bit crazy.
It's crazy, all the sounds you hear, we're not used to this. The fish are behind us, and you hear them plop, plop, plop.
Yeah, it's funky. I enjoy it, it's nice, but sometimes you're just like, oh, what was that? Oh, what was that?
And now we have to go to sleep.
It got a little bit wavy. And there's so many creaks going on. Super late, it's almost midnight. Good morning. Wow, it is super early. The sun has just risen and it's so freaking beautiful.
It reminds us of Italy. Like,
oh yeah.
It's insane. Like one of the most beautiful views I've seen in a long, long time.
It's so peaceful.
The night was actually quite rocky.
I felt a little bit seasick at one point. I was just like, wow.
The boat goes like, and you go like. Can I have 5 more minutes in that? Probably not. It's time for break. Oh no. I finished the last of the peanut butter.
I'll go take another scoop, there's so much. Now, we are heading out on paddleboard. Why keep it at bay? When it could be the day. Self-destruct and feed this appetite.
Ah, this is wow, this place is insane. You can hear the birds.
To break it up and get back after the fire. I see the chemical waste. I raised the roof back up. My ticket to get out of the rain.
We just got back from an amazing paddleboard session and I'm going to make some lunch while Silky does some work, so noodle time. I was halfway to making fried egg and then I got scared and I was like, I can't flip it, I'm going to make scrambled.
Yummy.
Not gonna lie, sometimes I feel a little bit seasick. We're like bobbing around, I'm having the food and I'm feeling it today. And we are 24 hours in. We are loving it here, guys.
This is just amazing. Like, I've been doing some work and what a place to work from. It's stunning.
Just surrounded by nature, surrounded by the water, and we're actually getting ready for our second sunset. It's looking a little bit cloudy again tonight, but nonetheless, it is super beautiful.
Would you like to stay here?
The weather has turned. The first rain, thunder, lightning on the platform.
It's beautiful, we love it.
It's so beautiful, and especially being like just in this little space and there's nowhere to go. It's just Yeah.
Guys, this is one of the best things we've done in a long time, and it's like the opposite of organised fun. It's like nature saying, here you go, what do you want to do with this? And I'm like, okay, we do this.
Wow, one of the most beautiful experiences ever.
And it looks like it's not anywhere near ending.
I miss good food. Not that our food is bad.
Soon we'll be back on Roti Canai. I'm sick of this platform.
Let's go!
Do you know how to sail a boat?
No, you?
Let's go up then.
Maria! No, I don't. Pull me closer. Look at him chilling while I'm doing all the work.
What? Does anyone ever know how much pasta to use? I feel like you either get like one strand each or you end up feeding the whole freaking island. The whole island is us, so I guess that's a good... Prego, cheese and herb or mushroom?
Sunset is actually on that side, but we're weird. We decided to sit here.
It looks good.
Hey baby, you want some pasta? Just saw a shark.
We're watching a bird walking along the rope, and then in the background Silka saw like a head of something coming up above the water and going
Swimming.
and I thought it looked like an otter, but it's quite far away.
I'll never jump in this water again.
Fish.
Fish.
Silka always makes fun of the way that Scottish people say fish.
And everything.
And everything else, yeah, exactly. If you're from Scotland, don't worry, she doesn't mean it in an offensive way, but I get the brunt of it every day. Let's hope it doesn't get too scary tonight.
Good morning!
It is our last day on the platform, and one thing that we've noticed is who needs to shower when you're surrounded by so much water?
Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I am calling you across the old room. Sunlight, dearest sunlight.
Now that feels good.
Feels amazing. The best way to wake up. Love her!
Just having a shower. Breakfast with a view. You know, we said we saw something yesterday moving in the water.
We know what it is now.
We just saw a full family of otters and they were so freaking cute. I couldn't get the camera out fast enough, but we just watched them all jump up onto the rock and then go up into the forest.
The noise that they made.
Yeah,
was
listen to the
amazing.
noise. We've just finished lunch and hit the 43-hour mark, so that means...
Only 5 hours to go.
And I think we have enough food because we're going to make dinner here tonight, so we have some pasta left over.
Tomato sauce. I guess we'll survive. We did fight once though. We're kind of tired now, so we're going for, yeah.
Jesus Christ. It's her fault.
It's your fault.
And we're going to fight again. I think it does happen though. when you're like alone on a platform in the middle of the water with no distractions and just each other. Yeah, we're gonna have some conflict, you know what I mean? But that's what happens with couples. She's just a little
Ah! What happened? Ew!
And guys, we have done 48 hours.
48!
It's actually been such an enjoyable experience. We've spent
So enjoyable that we are going to spend another night here.
yeah, looks like the boat's gonna come and pick us up tomorrow morning, so
It has been amazing. Just being in one place, it forces you to just be.
you know, you're surrounded by nature, there's nothing else to do, and yeah, we have enjoyed watching the otters, watching the sunset, swimming as much as we can, and just taking in this beauty and taking the time to just stop. Well, love, we made it.
I know we did.
Challenge complete.
Challenge complete.
Ka-ching, ka-ching.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, turn notification bell on.
All that good stuff, and we will see you on the next adventure. Guys, it is 12:30 and we just had to get out of the tent and pull everything in because it's so windy and rainy and everything.
It's actually quite scary, to be honest.
It's so crazy.
I don't like storms, and especially not at night when it's dark outside. The sea is really rough at the moment. The whole platform is moving, and yeah, everything was just flying away.
We better hold on because it looks like it's going to be a bumpy ride.
Oh, it's wet here. Ah!
I have no idea what to do.
What?
I have no idea.
Oh my god. I don't think we should have stayed the extra night. It is like, I don't like storms, and I don't like storms especially when we're alone in the middle of nowhere.